name is Adiola Onosanya, and today I want to teach you different sounds letter I can have in different words. Different sounds letter I can make in different words. But before I continue, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also help me share it. Thank you. As I said there are different sounds letter I can make in words. Letter I can sound A. Letter I sounds A. And when it sounds A, we have it in words such as pick, pick, sick, sick, sit, sit. Letter I can also sound E. It can also sound E, as we have it in police, police, machine, machine, and routine, routine. Letter I can also sound sure. That is as we have it in April, April, and not April. All right, it's not April, but April, April, where the letter I has the sure sound. So we say April. Now, in another word, letter I can go for its letter name, as we have it in ice, ice cream, ice. Hope you get it now. So letter I have different sounds in the English language. I hope you've learned more today. So till I come your way again, please put it to mind. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also help me share it. Bye.